Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making two more Milky Way resin paintings. These pieces are actually repours, and I'll link the videos below showing how I made these. And then we're going to add another layer, which is what you're seeing now. We're going to add another layer in this video. I'm going to be using the Total Boat Tabletop Epoxy. These are poured in two layers. So the first layer is going to be glitter. We're going to be using dazzling white holographic, blueberry sparkle, one of my favorites. This one is Mystic Rain, and this silver one is Disco Ball. And these are all from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link her shop down below. And we're also going to be using this white one that I just had on hand. So here are the two pieces. I gave them a light sand. These are actually vinyl records that I have made that I poured on previously on my channel. So if you want to see how I got them to this point, I will link those videos down below in the description box. So we're just going in and laying down our glitter that we mixed in with our resin. I should have done diagonal lines on the piece on the left. I wasn't really paying attention. So when you try this, definitely do diagonal lines because it does make a difference on how your finished piece turns out. I'm just going in with my heat gun on high to pop bubbles and warm up the resin so I can spread it out and kind of give everything a nice blend. And I did tape the back of these vinyl records. I used duct tape. Duct tape works really well. It peels right off along with any resin drips that might be on the back of your piece. And I also gave them a light sand just by hand and cleaned them off with some 320 grit sandpaper. And that was it. I just covered them up, let them dry overnight, and now we're going in with layer 2. And I'm using the Total Boat Tabletop Epoxy as well. I added a nice base layer of clear on both pieces, heating that up with my heat gun on high and spreading it out with my gloved hand. Adding the clear layer is crucial for this Milky Way technique because it's going to help your lines of pigments that we're going to add kind of flow and look really nice and wispy. Now we're going to go in and add our pigmented resin. This one here is the Angel White, and I'm just taking my stir stick and dragging it through that clear, making squiggly lines. No real rhyme or reason, just adding a bit of pigment to both of the pieces. And I mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box and I'll pin it in the comments as well. So just scroll down to the comment section and you can click the link and go check out that video if you're new to resin and you want to see how to mix your resin and your pigment. This one here, I'm going in with the Interference Blue pigment. That really pops on the darker colors, and you'll see that when we do a close-up at the end. And this one here is the Milky Way Glitz and Glam pigment by Laura's. It's a gorgeous, super sparkly, color-shifting green pigment. And I'm just going in and kind of dragging my stick through the line, or through the clear resin, and making those squiggly lines. And I actually had quite a bit of resin left over when I made these pieces, so I did do a 12 by 24 canvas as well with these same colors. So stick around to the end and I'll show you how that one turned out as well. Here I'm just taking my finger and just swirling the little designs, making some swirly lines, and that's it. I'm just going to hit it with my heat gun, blend some of the colors out a bit. And the Angel White will give you lacing, cells in lacing. I'll show you at the end. So that's why I'm trying to hit it with my heat gun. If you hit it with your heat gun a little bit and just kind of pull away, you'll get some really fun cells and lacing from that Angel White. Just going around the bottom, making sure I get all the resin off so there's not too many resin drips. And I was scooping up some of the resin off my table and adding it to this piece here on the right. And I'm just using a big plastic tablecloth from Dollar Tree to protect my countertop. So those work really well. The resin drips will peel right off the next day, and then you can keep reusing it over and over. And that's it. I'm going to cover them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and I'll give you a nice close-up and show you how they turned out. I pulled the tape off camera just because I didn't want to bore you guys with that. It's kind of a longer video. So here's the first piece. I think I maybe should have spray painted these with blue and white because you can still kind of see that orange popping up through there. It is really pretty. I do really like blue and orange together, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I did make a set of these previously on my channel with pink and white and gold tones. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. They turned out really pretty as well. This technique is so fun. I feel like they always turn out super pretty. I just love how sparkly it is when you give it that first base layer of glitters. And when you guys try this out, make sure you use about 3 or 4, anywhere from 3 to 5 different types of glitter for your background layer. Then you'll get a nice variation of sparkle because the super fine glitters and the chunky glitters, they have a different sparkle. So it just gives your finished piece a really unique, gorgeous sparkle. And on this one, you can see some of the little lacing sections that I got from the Angel White. And here's the second one. I thought this one turned out fun too. I didn't know about those textured beads that I had on there from the original pour, but it ended up working out okay. You can see as the resin self-leveled out, it gave me some fun wispy lines and designs on this piece. Let me know what you guys think of these down in the comments. And like I said, I will link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have and the videos showing how I got these pieces to the point that they were before I added this layer in today's video. I used to really love pouring on vinyl records. They're really fun and they're perfect size too, I feel. And here we are. This is just inside in some natural sunlight, really super pretty. And this one here is the 12 by 24 that I made with the leftover resin and same colors as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you guys are all doing great. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I will leave a few of my favorites right here at the end card screen. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. And let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.